Moses here from GuitarChimp.com. Today I'm playing a Gibson Les Paul Custom in Pelham Blue through a Marshall 1987 X reissue in white. It's a 35th anniversary model, and we're going to be checking out the Reverberator by Dr. Scientist. The Reverberator has a lot of different settings on it, and they're all fantastic. You can switch between hall, room, or sort of that plate reverb, as well as all the way at the end it has rotary, which is fantastic. You've got mix and level up top, pretty self-explanatory, and this switch actually changes the length of the playback, whether you want it short or long, or if you're on the rotary section, then it changes the speed of the rotary. Other than that, 9-volt powered, not a lot else to it. Pretty fantastic pedal, and I'm a big fan of it, so you should probably buy it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give us a like and subscribe as always, and go ahead and visit GuitarChimp.com, see all the fun stuff we have, guitars and pedals and amplifiers. And we hope to see you soon. See ya.